Black fungus is a nutritious edible fungus with a sweet taste and mild nature. It has the effects of nourishing qi and improving intelligence, moistening the lungs and brain, promoting blood circulation and stopping bleeding. Ginger is warm in nature, and its unique gingerol can stimulate the gastrointestinal mucosa and enhance digestion. It can effectively treat abdominal distension, abdominal pain, diarrhea, vomiting, etc., caused by eating too much cold food. Red dates have the effects of replenishing deficiency, replenishing qi, nourishing blood, and calming the nerves, strengthening the spleen and stomach, etc. Let's cook black fungus red dates soup. This sweet soup is delicious. I fell in love with it the first time I made it. Add in all ingredients and put it into boil. Season the soup after simmering for 30 minutes. Add rock sugar to taste. Red dates is famous with the effect of replenishing qi and blood, and they have always been a good nutritional supplement. It has a long history and was listed as one of the 5 fruits in ancient times. Black fungus also has the effect of replenishing blood. The stew of the 2 ingredients can replenish blood and qi. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. YouTube, there are more than 1,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.